Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone like pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. In this video, I will give you a special and a new trick to unlock your smartphone by sitting at home. You don't have to go any service center of any brand like Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, any kind of brand. You can unlock with the help of this method at the sitting at your home, and you don't have to pay a single penny for it, and you don't need any computer application to unlock your smartphone. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in today's video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes these type of unlocking method don't work on your smartphones. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that if your phone is not charged less than 30%, so you should charge your phone at least 30% or more than it. Or you may also take help of your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method, because it's most important that your phone's charge should be more than 30%. Otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this type of unlocking steps update within every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of today's trick, then don't worry at all. You can also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel, okay? And if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever a phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only, then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Okay, so how will you close all the network? Now you can see here my phone has Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network has been switched on in my phone display. Simply I will have to switch off all the networks. Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will also get another option of a airplane mode, okay? And it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode option. After activating this flight mode option, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed before going to the master unlocking method. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every service center to close the background running application when your phone is closed, okay, phone is locked. Because to unlock your smartphone with this method, all the background running applications should be closed firstly, okay? So after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Simply you can see here there is an option of emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, your phone will be open with the dialing pad. You can see with me. Now you will have to feed the secret code here to close the background running application, and today's recent secret code is star 999, then star 0852 star 66 then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application, and after feeding this secret code in the dialing pad, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. And at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After continue, click on this or call on this secret code, your phone's all the background running application will be closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method, okay? So after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Okay, now after clearing this call log, now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will takes your phone to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page, okay? And this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here, after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, after sales page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are lots of options on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to go with this option, software version option, and when you will click on this software version option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is software version page. Okay, now you will get a lots of options on this page. You can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number, that is RMX3471, but you don't have to go with this option. The second option is showing here your phone's Android model number, and this phone's Android version is 13. It may be possible your phone Android version would be 10, 11 or 12, and if your phone's Android version is 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 times. But here my phone is Android version 13, so I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times, but rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now this step has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of manual test option above the software version. You can see with me. Simply you will have to click on this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. That page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. You can see with me. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the end of the slide page, and you will reach to the option of other option. Okay, now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page. Simply you can see here there is an option of a main board version option. Okay, now simply you will have to go with this option. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board version option 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test option at the second number. Simply you will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will go with this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to cancel here, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the fourth time when you will go with this option, you will have to go with the OK option on this OK dialog. So simply you will have to click on this OK button. After clicking on this OK button, now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, but there is a single last step I'm going to tell you, and if you have skipped a single step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock. Okay, and you will have to watch this video again, my friend. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly, my friend. Now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see with me. Now you will also get a lots of option on this device debugging page. You can see here. Now there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. So simply you will have to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will get here 3 type of option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. All the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see with me. Simply you will have to start these operation, and you will have to continue click on these options until you get a single test passed message, because all the option is showing here operation not started. So I'm going to click on these options. You can see here test has been started but test failed. The second option, test has been started but test failed. Okay, and the third option, test has been started but a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to go with the home button. After going to the home button, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was locked as it is as in my smartphone. Okay, it means this trick really works. And if your phone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing it with your phone. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.